Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's on everyone's mind: money. How to make it, how to keep it, and how to use it wisely. Let's dive into some valuable lessons that will help you achieve financial freedom. The struggle to attain wealth has been a constant throughout human history. Money has become a symbol of power, security, and status. But as we pursue wealth, we must remember that it can influence our emotional, social, and ethical aspects of life. So, what does this mean? It means that money can bring out the best or worst in us. It's up to us to use it wisely. When it comes to business, it's essential to keep things separate from family. As the saying goes, don't mix business with blood. This might seem harsh, but it's crucial to maintain a professional distance to avoid conflicts and ensure the success of your business. So, how do we achieve financial freedom? It starts with our habits. As the saying goes, you don't determine your financial future, you determine your habits, and your habits determine the number of zeros in your account. It's never too early to start building good habits and making smart financial decisions. Remember, financial freedom is within reach if you're willing to put in the effort. Giving is an essential part of achieving financial freedom. As the saying goes, practice the law of return. Help those in need, and when you need help, someone will be there for you. Giving doesn't just benefit others, it also benefits us. It helps us cultivate a sense of gratitude and appreciation for what we have. Many people think that money is the key to happiness. But is it really? As the saying goes, it's not money that makes a man happy. It's the freedom money brings. Money can provide us with comfort and security, but it's not the sole determinant of happiness. True happiness comes from living a fulfilling life, pursuing our passions, and building meaningful relationships. In conclusion, achieving financial freedom requires discipline, patience, and wisdom. Remember, money is just a tool. It's up to us to use it wisely. If many have achieved financial freedom in history, you can too. Start liberating yourself now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.